Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gas cooktops that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the 24-inch gas cooktop. This compact yet powerful cooktop offers 4 burners with a combined output of 27,400 BTU, making it a great choice for small kitchens or apartments. Its NG/LPG convertible design ensures compatibility with different gas types, and the stainless steel finish adds durability and a polished look to your cooking space. Like the other models on this list, it includes thermocouple protection for added safety. This cooktop stands out with its efficient performance and space-saving design, but it does have a few limitations. While the burners heat evenly and quickly, the smaller size may not provide enough room for larger pots and pans if you're cooking multiple dishes simultaneously. At $162.99, it's a mid-tier option that offers good value for its features and build quality. The pros of this model include its affordability, compact design, and reliable performance, while its cons center around the limited cooking surface. This is an excellent choice for those who live in smaller spaces and want a dependable, stylish cooktop without breaking the bank. Next up at number 3 is the Vivor 30-inch gas cooktop. This model features 5 burners with a maximum output of 12,250 BTU, making it ideal for everyday cooking tasks. Its NG/LPG convertibility, combined with thermocouple protection, ensures safety and adaptability for various setups. The stainless steel finish not only adds durability, but also makes it easy to clean, which is great for families or individuals who cook often. The Vivor cooktop is a solid performer, especially for its price of $155.99. The lower BTU compared to other models may result in longer cooking times for high-heat recipes, but its compact design makes it a fantastic choice for apartments, RVs, or even camping setups. The burners offer decent heat distribution, though it may struggle with larger cookware. This cooktop excels in affordability and portability, but its lower heat output and compact size might not suit heavy-duty cooking needs. If you're looking for a versatile and budget-friendly option that's easy to transport and install, this is a great pick. Coming in strong at number 2, the 36-inch built-in gas cooktop is the premium option on our list, priced at $255.99. This cooktop boasts 5 Italy Sabaf sealed burners with an impressive combined heat output of 41,800 BTU, making it ideal for gourmet cooking and large families. Its NG/LPG convertible design ensures compatibility, while the stainless steel construction provides durability and a professional aesthetic. Thermocouple protection adds an extra layer of safety, making this cooktop a reliable choice. Performance-wise, this cooktop is a powerhouse. The burners offer precise heat control, perfect for everything from simmering to searing. Its spacious 36-inch design allows for multiple pots and pans to be used simultaneously, making it a dream for anyone who loves cooking elaborate meals. However, the higher price point and larger size may not be suitable for those with smaller kitchens or tighter budgets. Pros include top-tier performance, a spacious cooking surface, and high-end build quality, while cons revolve around its premium price and space requirements. If you're looking to invest in a professional-grade cooktop that delivers exceptional results, this is the one for you. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Forimo Gas Cooktop 22-inch. This budget-friendly option packs a lot of value into its compact design. With 4 burners and a stainless steel finish, it's perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or anyone looking for an affordable yet reliable cooking solution. It includes an NG/LPG conversion kit for easy setup, and the thermocouple protection ensures safety by cutting off gas flow if the flame is extinguished. Despite its lower price of $145.99, the Forimo cooktop doesn't compromise on performance. The burners heat quickly and evenly, making it a versatile option for a variety of cooking needs. The stainless steel surface is not only durable, but also easy to clean, a feature that busy households will appreciate. However, Its smaller size and lower BTU output mean it's not ideal for heavy-duty cooking or larger families. The pros of this model include its affordability, compact size, and solid build quality, while the cons are its limited cooking surface and lower heat output. If you're on a budget and need a dependable cooktop for everyday use, the Forimo gas cooktop is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.